curious about why Finland's early childhood education is considered the best in the world. I'm Milla, co-founder and CEO of KindiDays, the leading preschool solution from Finland, already delivered to more than 30 countries. Join us in our webinar to discover the secrets behind Finland's renowned early childhood education system. Learn how to implement Finland's best practices, create a world-class learning experience, and achieve operational excellence with time-tested systems. Also find out how to engage parents as key stakeholders and ambassadors for your preschool. In simple terms, how to drastically improve your preschool's quality, brand, and admissions. Don't miss this chance to transform your preschool. Register now and start your journey to excellence.